Hi, welcome again to Zebyoo. Today we are discussing on the two type of chatbot. One is the text and one is a voice chat. Okay, so we are able to send to the text of the audio was coming, and it will be convert in a text, and it will be reply just like this example. Okay, so here is I just asking this one, and it
I'm
will.
sorry, but am not sure where just tonic is located. Could you please provide more context or information about what you are looking for?
Okay, so here is the message that sent by from here. Okay, so this one is
I'm
a send it,
sorry, but am
and this
not
one.
sure where just tonic is located. Could you please provide more context or information about what
So
you are looking for?
here I am.
I'm sorry.
I'm here. We can ask first. Okay, for the little world thing, what is the capital of India? So here is the short message. Sorry, not for this one. This one is a bot. We are asking from here. So it will be bot will be reply. You can see the bot what we have. Okay, I said these keywords for what, why, which, can, all questions to in a bot. It will be fetch what. After that bot was fetching, and it will be set. So here is the total send. Okay, the 2 second was type, and after that the reply of that, and now waiting for the response. What he say? After that we try a audio clip to send the fetch again. What is the capital of Canada, and what is whatever we ask about that. I asking the where is Mumbai. Okay, the next question. This one is a no. I just asking new one. If you trust them, the capital of India is the New Delhi. Okay, so now I am asking who is Sachin Tendulkar and something new. Who is David Warner? Okay, I just ask about the who is David Warner and ranking point. Whatever I ask about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, so who is Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Okay, I just asking the question. If it will be detect or word who, then it will be direct sign as to double tick and reply autocorrect. But it's not detect. I think who is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, so it's not detect. So let's again we have to try something new message. Who is Sachin Tendulkar? Okay, it's a detect now. Now I ask who is Sachin Tendulkar? Who is Sachin Tendulkar? Okay, now it's confirmed. So just waiting for the reply. What is detect and why, and what the answer was come in audio. We waiting for that one. It's automatically reply and convert the audio, and it will be answer from here. So let's be waiting for that. If the audio was convert and after that audio was come, then it will be play, and we just check it out. First the AI was convert because it's offline AI that we use on here, so we don't need AI key and any key about that, so we use on here. Okay, we not use any AI key and everything. We add modules just like Orca Mini, GPT, GPT-4, Llama 2, and this. Okay, the message was come. Okay, so let's see was the message was coming on here. Let's play.
I'm sorry, but I'm not sure what you are referring to. Could you please provide more context or information about what you are asking?
Okay, so I ask again, who is the Prime Minister of India? Okay, that's I asking about that. Now again, we use it, and we use this. I think three and just a wait, just a three, 6 and 9 modules that we have. It's a very large module, and it's need for this one. A lot of RAM required. It's offline. This one need little more, and this one need also little more RAM, just like 16 GB to 32 GB RAM was sufficient for that one. And okay, the reply was come fast.
The Prime Minister of India is currently Narendra Modi.
Okay, and who is the Prime Minister of United States? Actually, my voice is not recognized perfect, but if the voice was recognized perfectly, then it will be reply as correct way, as like just like chatbot was reply as well, and it convert also fast when you have the more RAM. If you have GPU, CPU, GPU server, then it will be just an 3 second reply if you have GPU server. Then otherwise, I'm sorry, if you use your CPU for that, it will be take time, just like you see 433 and 433 to reply. But if you have GPU server, then it will be fast process to all things, and it will be convert the fast way. Okay, so it will be sufficient for that. And now the audio was come.
I'm sorry, but I cannot provide you with the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom as I do not have access to real-time information. However, the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom was Boris Johnson.
See, the not a current prime minister was detected, but it's a, if the old one is there, then it will be transferred to you the questions. And if I ask about anything that way, it will be reply as well. So this one is a voice chat, it will be detect, and this is not a voice of also, he detect on your pictures also. If you send the pictures, and it will be detect of the text what is inside the picture, it will be reply also on for your pictures also. And see, I just ask, I tell the some pictures to send him. Okay, so maybe it's sent to us. Are you document, are you, I send the server, you see, right now I send this one. Okay, this page is not working. Okay, so I just send it, and ask him to send. So it will be sent now, and now you can see if its a picture was detect automatically. See, this page is not working, so it will be reply on here in a text mode, because we have sent the text of image. So you have interested of this one modules, so you can use it. And this one is a UC, and this one is a not take your uh, this seems the error with your website is currently unable to handle requests. This may be due to server issue, a problem of a website itself. Please try again later or connect the website administrator of the future. So this one is the photo, and see, and this one the error was showing that will be replied to you. This detects also pictures, and you see the all of things that reply the voice chat. It will also reply your voice reply and the
I'm sorry, but I cannot provide you with the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom as I do not have access to real-time information. However, the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom was Boris Johnson.
so here not even you can use female voice. We have 138 modules for that. We have add here you can use a female voice, a male voice. You can detect the voices and audio was play and test the voices, and it will be reply also on that voice that you select. Not even you can send you voice message also in your voice. You just need for your voice recording audio, just like uh, your 10-minute audio may be required, and after that you edit it, upload it and use it for this one. So it will be convert this text into your direct voice. So here it is the example of the WhatsApp in a waziper, and you can use in a waziper also. So here is the new update about that, the chatbot. And chatbot was make for the WhatsApp. It's I don't know it's a needed for the audio and not needed, but we build up. So try the new one. So here I just don't have any idea to send to you what do you want, so I just make this one. Maybe it's work or not, I don't have any idea about that, but still it is complete this source, the example. Thank you for watching our video, and contact us with when you want this one.